Hi guys, today we are going to take our knowledge of graphing lines and we're going to apply what we know to graphing inequalities. So your first move is going to be to get the inequality in the form of y equals mx plus b, except it'll be a greater than, a less than or equal to, a greater than or equal to. You want to type it into your y1. You would definitely want to get a few points. You probably can't always fit 4, but sometimes you can definitely fit 2 on your graph. You want to plot the points and connect them using a ruler. The big deal is if there's a less than or a greater than, you use a dashed line. If there's a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, you use a solid line. You have to shade your graphs. If the graph is less than, you have two options. You can just remember the rule, or so if the graph is less than, let's say our slope is going up, a positive slope, we would shade below. If the line has a negative slope, we would shade below like this. So I think about it as a roof inside the house for less than. Greater than, think about your sunshine. Greater than goes above. So above the roof. So if that is weird to you, we can also do it by checking a point. So I'll show you when we get to that. So our first move is to graph this. So either you know how to do it by the slope and the y-intercept method, or you're using your calculator and you're doing it on there. So I'm beginning at 4. I count down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. I'm going to grab the ruler. Is it solid or dashed? So I like if you would make this on here greater than or equal to solid, shade, above. So that's what we need to do. We need to make the line solid and shade above. Shade above. So above is a little bit weird. This is a steep slope. So what you could do is you could take an easy point out on the line, plug it in, and check. So I could take 0, 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 4? It is not. So I don't cover 0, 0. I go the other way. Or on this graph, above would be in this direction. Label the inequality on the line. Y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. You'll try too. I'll do 3. Y is greater than negative x minus 5. We begin at negative 5. Our slope is a negative 1. So I go up 1, back 1, up 1, back 1, up 1, back 1. Or you type it into your calculator and you graph the line. So this is a dashed line. So let's go through and do this. Greater than, dashed, shade above. So let's see how the dashing works with the ruler. Not too bad. So you just want to do a dashed line along the ruler. So shade above, I know is going in this direction. So this time if I pick 0, 0, it should work. Is 0 greater than negative 5? Yes, it is. So this is shading above. Label my inequality. Y is greater than negative x minus 5. You'll try 4. All right, on 5, it's a little bit different because we don't have it in y equals mx plus b form. So first I want to isolate negative 2y is less than negative 3x plus 10. Divide by negative 2. Please remember your inequality rule. When you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip your sign. So my less than becomes greater than 3/2 x minus 5. So greater than is a dashed line, shade above. So I'm beginning at -5. I'm going up 1, 2, 3, right 2. 1, 2, 3, right 2. 1, 2, 3, right 2. So we're doing a dashed line. One, two, three. Again, we have greater than, so it's shade above. This side is above it. Let me just double check. 0 is greater than -5. That is true. It's also not a bad idea to check into the original. So let's check into the original. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 is less than 10. Still true, covering the point 0, 0. Write the original inequality on the line. Three x minus 2y is less than 10. You'll try 6. You should get 2, 4, and 6 checked, please. So I'll put a little answer key off to the side so you can look to check it. So please take your time, ask for help if you need it. And then you'll do these homework problems. So on the second set, you're just plugging each point in and you're saying true or false. So you're plugging them into the original. So let me do the first one for you. So 5, 4, x equals 5, y equals 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 2 times 5 minus 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 6. Determine which points lie in the solution and which do not. Not in the solution because it's not true. That's basically how you do most of these. For 5, you're picking 1 point in the solution, 1 point not in the solution. You'll get those alone, graph them. Remember, this one can go in your calculator. This one can't. It's impossible to put a x inequality into your graphing calculator. So just remember, x equals our vertical lines. All right, hopefully you watched this video through. There's some good pointers in there. Ask for help if you need it. Send me a Teams message. Grades are closing, so take care of making up any missing assignments. Have a great day.